Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to remove your lists in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Trello website and then just connect with your Trello account. And if you don't already have one, just connect with your Google, Apple or Facebook account and then just follow these simple steps. So basically to remove this or to remove a list in Trello, we will need just to archive them because we cannot delete them permanently. And basically to do so, we need to go to any board that we are working on so we can remove this list or archive it. And basically we need just to click on this board or the boards menu or this section and choose the board where you want to work on. And here in this example I'm going to show or I'm going to use this board here, and as you can see those are my lists that are located in my board. And basically I'm going just to click on the 3 points action or 3 points icon, and I will need to remove them or to archive the whole list. And to find this button, we will go to the bottom of the list or the menu, and we are going to archive this list. And basically now it has been removed from my board, but it is not permanently deleted, because if we go to the archived items here in this menu and we go to more archive items, we will find them here in these archived items of my board. And basically as you can see we cannot delete them, not unlike the card. I mean, unlike the cards, we can delete them permanently because there is this option. And for the list, we cannot delete all or delete permanently the list, but we can archive it and it will be removed from your board. So basically, this is how you can remove your boards in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.